Cloning. In nature, a clone is an offspring produced by asexual reproduction. Yet you've probably heard the term cloning used to describe a process that produces a sheep or other animal identical to its one parent. How can this be possible given that the sheep, like humans, always have two parents? Remember, mammals like us never reproduce asexually. Scientists have now produced certain organisms artificially through a type of asexual reproduction. Consider the cloning of a sheep illustrated in the figure on the next page. The part of the cell that contains the genes, called the nucleus, is removed from one of the cells of the sheep's body. This nucleus is placed into an egg cell, whose nucleus has already been removed. Side note, so what you're doing is you're taking the nucleus out of the sex cell, which only should have half the genes, and you're replacing it with a nucleus that already has the full set of genes. Going back, if this artificially fertilized egg develops in a womb, it grows into a sheep that is genetically identical to the sheep that the nucleus came from. It is therefore a clone of that sheep. So we have our adult, we take a body cell, something up here, and it has two sets. It's got two sets of genes inside the nucleus. We take out that nucleus, and then we inject it into an egg cell, and we have a clone. We never have to be fertilized because we've already got two copies. So, how is a cloned animal, such as a sheep, different from an identical twin? Stop to think number 4. What is missing from this equation? Okay, so go ahead and answer this, and then you will be ready to go on to the analysis. The analysis will be based on here on your slides, these questions, but will be in a different format. I'll use the Flipgrid and Google Forms and possibly some other options on your analysis slides to answer these questions.